okay. You're okay.
Let me see. Yeah. Did you bang your forehead?
Did you get your melon or what?
Okay.
All better.
Oh my
Did you hit your face? Right on that table,
God.
eh?
You poor monk.
You okay?
Let me see your melon. Come here. Where'd you hurt? Let me see.
Hot.
Your hat? You hit your hat? You hit it right there. It's alright. That's not too bad.
Let Nana give it a kiss, because we got to go.
Nana, kiss it better? Kiss a boo-boo? No? Okay, okay. Here. Here. No? Give Papa the hat? Oh. Mama.
Thanks. It hurt you there?
He got it dirty.
He doesn't like dirty.
He doesn't like dirt. Papa's got to go home. See you later, alligator.
No.
Yes. Watch your head on that table. You're going to do it again. Yes, you are.
Hot.
Hey, Papa's got to go home. See you later.
Here. There you go.
Uncle Mike and Emmy will be there soon.